Hi traders, in this video I'm gonna show you Aussie US dollar order flows. In the 1 hour chart, here price is in a short term bearish. As this is a strong demand zone, so market is retracing to grab this liquidity. But in fact, the main trend is up. As price breaks previous higher highs. Here you can see I'm marking some previous higher high that has been broken well. Here it's a strong demand zone. We are assuming that the price will resume its bullish movement after reaching this zone. Thank you.